Hey everyone, in today's how-to video I am going to show you how to set up autopay. First we need to go to the account login at BluBroadband.com/login. Now I'm going to log in to my account, and in this case I'm using a dummy account. And here I am on my dashboard of the My Account portal. So the first step is we need to make sure that we add a stored payment method, or we add a credit card. So for the sake of this test, I'm going to add my credit card to show you how it's done. Now you can add a bank account with ACH, or you can add a credit card. So in this case, I'm going to do name, and your expiration date. And it does require a 4-digit year. So we will add the card. Now it's connecting with our processor. We do not store this card in our system. It is stored with the processor in their system and has an encrypted code that is sent to them when your autopay is done. Okay, so our card is added here. So the next step is we're going to click on our name here. In this case, our test account is Michael Scott, and we're going to click on Profile. Once this loads, we are going to go to Payment Method, and by default the payment method is cash, and we'll select it. None of this matters but autopay, so just ignore all these other options. At the very bottom, select autopay. Now under my password, you have to put in your current password, so I will paste my password there and click save. That's it. We have now set up autopay in the My Account portal.